So, good evening, my dear students. Welcome to Dr. B. Ranganathan IIT NEET Z Academy. So, this video is very useful for those who are appearing for the examination, IIT Z and NEET aspirant students. So, now I am going to discuss about how to calculate optical isomers. Optical isomers present in a molecule can be divided into two equal halves. In the previous video, we can calculate number of optical isomers present in if the molecule cannot be divided into two equal halves. That means the molecule has no symmetry. But here, so the molecule has symmetry. So this is rule number 2. What is rule number 2? Rule number 1 is the molecule cannot be divided into two equal halves. So the calculation of optical isomers is different. That is the number of optical active forms, mesoforms, total number of optical isomers, that is 2 power n. So here, rule number 2 means when the molecule can be divided into two equal halves. When the molecule can be divided into two equal halves. For example, so I will explain what is molecule can be divided into equal halves. For example, tartaric acid, COOH. So here OH, so here H, so here OH, here H, so here COOH. To observe this molecule is definitely divided into two equal halves. Why? Because of this terminal is COH group, this terminal is COH group. This is called molecule has symmetry. Molecule has symmetry. So in this case, it having two cases. Case 1 is even number of asymmetric carbons. Case 2 is odd number of asymmetric carbon. How to calculate number of optical isomers present in a given organic compound? The molecule can be divided into two equal halves. So the molecule can be divided into two equal halves means this is. For example, student, so here how many asymmetric centers? 2 asymmetric carbons means chiral carbon. What is chiral? Chiral means if the carbon is attached to 4 different groups. So here COH, here H, here OH, this whole molecule can be imagined as a molecule. Total 4. Therefore, it is chiral center or asymmetric center. Here n is equals to 2. Total number of asymmetric center is 2. So 2 is even. This is different. This is case 1. If n is equals to 3 means that is odd. What is case 1? What is case 2? We'll explain clearly one by one. When the molecule can be divided into two equal halves means case number 1 and case number 2. So here what is case 1? Right hand side heading case 1. What is case 1? Case 1 means number of asymmetric carbons is even. If number of asymmetric, chiral asymmetric, if number of asymmetric carbons is even, So what is the formula for? Here, total number of optical active forms. Optically active forms. A is equals to, what is the formula? 2 power n minus 1. How to calculate total number of optically active forms? Optically active forms is nothing but D and L isomer, student. Keep it in mind this point. And next, number of mesoisomers. Number of mesoforms. What is the formula for number of mesoforms? So m is equals to 2 power n by 2 minus 1. This is the calculation of number of mesoforms. What is the formula? 2 power n by 2 minus 1. So therefore, total number of optical isomers. Optical isomers. Total number of optical isomers is equals to A plus M. That is equals to 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n by 2 minus 1. So this is the formula for total number of optical isomers present in a given asymmetric carbon. N is even. Okay, what is the formula? 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n by 2 minus 1. So what is the example? Just before 5 minutes back, I will give the one example, that is tartaric acid. Write down tartaric acid. So here COOH. So here H. So here OH. So here H. So here OH nana. COOH. This is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid, student. In this tartaric acid, how many asymmetric carbon, means how many chiral center present in this tartaric acid? So definitely 2 chiral center. 2 chiral center means what is chiral carbon? If the carbon is attached groups or atoms are 4 are different. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore n is equals to what? 2. N is equals to 2. Means how many number of asymmetric centers? 2 asymmetric centers. So here asymmetric centers. How many asymmetric centers, ma? 2 asymmetric centers. Therefore 2 is a even or odd? Even. So case number 1 is possible. Case number 1 is possible. Tell me the answer. Total number of optically active forms. What is the formula? Optically active forms. A is equals to, what is the formula? 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. Write down the formula. So 2 power n minus 1. If n is 2, therefore A is equals to 2 power 2 minus 1. Therefore, total number of optical active forms is 2. How many optical active forms? 2. Next, how many mesoforms? Mesoforms. How to calculate number of mesoforms? That is formula also different. Mesoforms, M is equals to, what is the formula? So here 2 power n by 2 minus 1. So therefore 2 power n by 2 minus 1. So here, what is n? N is equals to 2. Even number of asymmetric centers. So therefore, M is equals to 2 power 2 by 2 minus 1. That is equals to 2 power 2 means 2 power 1 minus 1. So that is equals to 2 power 0. That is equals to anything power 0 is 1. Okay. How many mesoforms? 1. So our question is, in the examination point of view, how many optical isomers? Therefore, total number of optical isomers. Total number of optical isomers is equals to A plus M. That is equals to, so how many optical active forms? 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. That is equals to 3 optical isomers. Total number of optical isomers is equals to 3. This is the formula for if the asymmetric carbon is even. And the next, case 2, students. What is case 2? Case 2. So here, this is also molecule can be divided into 2 equal halves. If the number of asymmetric carbon is odd, that is the case 2. Write down number of asymmetric, number of asymmetric carbon, number of asymmetric carbons is odd. For example, Nana. So what is the example for number of asymmetric carbons is odd? So here, if you take, so here, student, I will write CH2OH. So here, CHOH. So here, HOH. So here, HOH. CH2OH. To observe this, students, this molecule can be easily divided into 2 equal halves because of the terminal is same. This is CH2OH group. This is CH2OH group. So therefore, molecule can be divided into equal halves. Okay. Here, how many asymmetric centers? Here also asymmetric center, here also asymmetric center, here also. So therefore, n is equals to 3. 3 is odd. What is the formula for number of optical active forms, number of uh, mesoforms, total number of isomers? So here, number of optically active forms, number of optically active forms, number of optically active forms. A is equals to, what is the formula for here? 2 power n minus 1 minus 2 power n minus 1 by 2. So this is the formula for total number of optically active forms. So here n is equals to 3. How many optically active forms? 2 power 3 minus 1 minus 2 power 3 minus 1 by 2. That is equals to 2 power 3 minus 1 means 2 power 2 minus 3 minus 2 by 2 means 2. So that is equals to 4 minus 2 means 2. How many isomers? So how many optically active forms are? So 2 optically active forms are possible. Okay. So 2 optically active forms. And the next, what is the formula for mesoform? What is the formula for meso? So number of mesoforms. Number of mesoforms. Mesoforms. What is the formula? M is equals to 2 power n minus 1 by 2. N minus 1 by 2. This is the number of mesoform. Therefore, M is equals to, what is N here? 3 because of odd value. So 2 power 3 minus 1 by 2 means 2 power 2 by 2 means 2 power 1. That is equals to M is 2. How many total number of optical isomers? Total number of optical isomers. Optical isomers. So that is equals to A plus M. That is equals to how many optical active forms? 2. How many mesoforms? 2. How many optical active forms? Not 2. How many mesoforms? 2 plus 2. That is equals to 4. So total number of optical isomers is equals to 4 ma. What is the formula? 2 power n minus. So here n minus 1 minus 2 power n minus 1 by 2 plus 2 power n minus 1 by 2. So he can get cancelled. That is equals to 2 power n minus 1. So this is the total number of optical isomers formula 2 power n minus 1. We can put here n is equals to 3. So 2 power 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2 power 2. That is equals to 4 total optical isomers. This is the another method. Okay. So this is the calculation of total number of optical isomers present in a, if the molecule having, it can be divided into equal isomer. So next, student, test yourself. Test yourself questions. What is the question for test yourself? So here, if the molecule can be divided into equal halves. So here COOH. So here hydrogen, here OH or CH3, and next here H. So here OH, and next here CH. So here Br. So here CH. So here OH, and next here CH, and next CH3. So COOH. To observe this molecule is obviously can be divided into two equal halves. How many asymmetric centers, student? So here one, here one, here one, here one, here one. Total n is equals to 5. N is equals to 5 means odd. You can calculate how many number of optical active forms, how many number of mesoforms, how many number of optical isomers, students. Test yourself. I will explain in the next class the answers. So thanks for watching, my dear student. So please subscribe my channel, Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT NEET Academy. Okay, so this channel is mainly useful for those who are appearing for the examination, NEET and IIT JEE and local engineering examinations like KCET and MCET and MCET like. Okay, thank you.